Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by opening Google Shopping and choosing a try-on eligible product. This is fast because the platform uses product metadata to filter items. Once open, grant camera access so the AR model can anchor to your face or feet. Make sure to select the correct camera and category, eyewear versus makeup effects alignment, then tap Try On. Doing this immediately puts a live overlay on your video feed so you can see fit and scale before proceeding to the next steps. Now refine fit and settings to get an accurate representation. You adjust scale and position because the AR needs correct proportions to match real size. Once done, use sliding toggles and zoom for closer inspection. Different angles reveal fit issues. Make sure to capture snapshots or use side-by-side comparisons to see multiple options. This helps when deciding size or color. You should also test movement. Turn your head or walk a few steps to confirm the model stays aligned under normal motion. Finish by saving a snapshot and adding your preferred option to the cart. This preserves the look you liked. Then proceed to checkout. Use Google Pay for speed or the merchant checkout if you prefer to confirm size, shipping, and returns. If something goes wrong, recalibrate. Move to brighter, evenly lit space, allow camera permission again, and restart the app. You can also clear the app cache or toggle AR permissions. These quick fixes resolve most misalignment or performance issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.